Today, we've got an amazing tutorial for those of you searching for a faster internet connection. If you've been struggling with slow speeds, you're in the right place. We're going to show you how to create a UDP server account, a powerful tool for boosting your internet performance. And if you're not sure how to set it up in the HTTP Custom VPN app, don't worry. We've linked our previous video tutorial down in the description. Make sure to check that out after this one. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type SHALS12.5 Tech Online and hit enter. From the search results, look for the official 12.5 THEC website and click to open it. This is where we'll be creating our UDP server. Once you're on the homepage, find the menu button. It's usually located in the top corner of the page. Click it to reveal a list of options. From the drop-down menu, click on UDP VIP Server Start. Another menu will appear. Now click on UDP Custom Server. You'll now be redirected to an account creation page. Enter a username of your choice, complete the CAPTCHA for verification, and click on Create Now. In just a few seconds, your UDP server details will appear on the screen. At the bottom of that section, click the Copy Server Info button. Now paste the copied text into your phone's Notes app or any safe place. You'll need it later when setting up your VPN. And that's it. You've successfully created your very own UDP server account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.